Sorry.
Well, let me know if you need me to
We're
help
good.
push up.
No, we're good. This is Steve Spector again with Dell at the OpenStack Summit, and I'm with Joe Arnold here.
Hi, Stephen.
Hello. He is the founder of SwiftStack. Tell us what SwiftStack is. Tell us about yourself. People who don't know about SwiftStack, why they need to know.
Well, SwiftStack, we are working on making it so people can deploy, manage, install, upgrade, operate, do everything that they need to do with OpenStack Swift, so they can run it in their own data center.
And what is OpenStack Swift for the people who don't know?
OpenStack Swift is an object storage system, and it's similar to something like Amazon S3. It is what was Rackspace Cloud Files. It's one of the core projects of OpenStack Swift.
And if I
understand,
the actual leader of the Swift project for OpenStack works for your company. Is that correct?
Yeah. So we're fortunate to have 3 contributors or core contributors to OpenStack Swift. There's only a handful of them, and yes, one of them is John Dickinson, the OpenStack Swift PTL.
And what's a typical customer that comes to your company? Are they looking for? Is it a private object storage? Are they public object storage? What do you tend to find?
Yeah. So here's our customers are coming to us because they really don't have anywhere else to go.
Yeah.
Their web, their mobile, their companies are building as a service applications, and so the storage that they needs to be able to handle a lot of users. And so that's what we focus on. We focus on a storage system that can support user bases where there are millions of users at the company, and they need to serve content and receive content in and out of that further application.
Right. So this is not like the Glacier storage from Amazon where people rarely check in. This is much more active storage.
Yeah, it's active. I would say long tail. So an example of someone who's using it is Wikipedia, right? So you have some content, and that gets served a lot, and it's great because that gets cached because it's HTTP,
right?
And there's all sorts of caching tiers that we know and love and use, and then there's all that long tail of data that it's not going to be cached, but it better be there when a user wants
someone needs it. Yeah.
And so that's the storage we specialize in.
That makes sense. And I guess SwiftStack.com is the best place to go.
SwiftStack.com. We have a really easy way to install Swift. It's just install it on Ubuntu. It's an apt-get install.
And that's it?
And then we have a controller plane that an operator goes to, and you just get walked through a UI wizard process to format the drives, get the system up and running, get it installed, and from that you can run that entire Swift cluster.
Well, that's great. Well, Joe, thanks for taking the time today to talk with us, and I'm glad to see your company underway, and wish you guys great success.
It's nice to see you again, Stephen.
Thanks.